welcome to another episode of Entertainment for You, E for You, with me, Deepa Rai, your weekly dose of the ins, the outs, a few surprises and the happenings of the showbiz world. So, without any further ado, as I say every week, shuru ho jate hain. Now then, Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan will most probably be seen in director Vishal Bhardwaj's new venture, which is believed to be based on Shakespeare's work Hamlet. Now earlier, as we know, the director, he made films like Maqbool and Omkara, which I never actually watched, and they were based on Macbeth and Othello, which I actually studied in A-levels. However, Vishal believably abides by this principle of not actually following the true translation of the original version. Now the industry is actually looking at Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya Rai as a hit jodi after, as we know, Dhoom 2, Jodha Akbar and Guzarish, which I still haven't seen. So Vishal is reportedly keen to cast a successful duo for the film, but he is yet to confirm the news. And as soon as it's confirmed, you know we'll tell you. Now then, I watched Dhoom 2 and Jodha Akbar, but like I said, I'm not seeing Guzarish as of yet. Now, I think they make a lovely couple on screen, but the question is, do we actually want to see Hrithik Roshan and Aishwarya together again?
जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरा है, फूल से खुशबू खफा खफा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा की चिलमन में, सारे सहमे नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं, और दिल में कोई सी बातें हैं। ओ कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरा है, फूल से खुशबू खफा खफा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा की चिलमन में, सारे सहमे नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं, और दिल में कोई सी बातें हैं। ओ कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरा।
Well, the bold and the beautiful Deepika Padukone is quite open about her relationship with Siddharth Malya, and she has been with her other relationships as well. Now, she doesn't mind being seen walking hand in hand, haath mein haath milake, with her Prince Charming. Now, the couple is no more bothered about what the media writes or how it places them before the world. Nowadays, Deepika, she's quite comfortable posing for photographs with Sid, and it's not just at events, but also in public places as well. Now, the two are often spotted together. Recently, when Deepika Padukone and Sid Malya were in Goa, they posed for photographs, and I even remember I saw this photograph thinking, they're gonna get married. So the question is, how long will this relationship last? Just 5 months after her marriage to the Nepalese businessman Samrat, Manisha Koirala has shocked her millions of fans and friends in B-Town with her recent Facebook post. Honestly, Manisha, what are you doing? Now, what she did, she wrote on her Facebook that her marriage life has been on a roller coaster ride and that she's planning to get a divorce in just 5 months after her wedding. Now, she also added that she feared this decision might hurt her parents. However, she deleted the post after a few hours, but I don't understand, what is the point? Now, after her status message did leave fans and friends quite curious, she did admit that the status message was posted very quickly after some differences with Samrat. Now, she also confessed that sometimes she overreacts with writing silly things, but I guess only time can tell us the truth. And when we find out, you'll know as well.
दे दीदार दे दीदार ले दीदार दे दीदार दे दीदार दे दीदार ले दीदार दे दीदार दे दीदार दे दीदार ले दीदार दे दीदार दे दीदार दे दीदार ले दीदार दे इश्क तो गले से लगा ले
दिलसाजी तौबा लबों की गुफ्तारी शीशे पे संगवारी तौबा तेरी दिल आजारी आजारी
अभी कोई अरमा रंग न लाया अभी कोई दिल को छल नहीं पाया अभी कोई अरमा रंग न लाया अभी कोई दिल को छल नहीं पाया अभी कोई आंखों में सपना नहीं है अभी कोई जादू चल नहीं पाया तू प्यार की ये कश्तियां कर दे जरा में पार बे दीदार दे.
Now then, we've had Aishwarya, we've had Hrithik, we've had Manisha. Let's go to Abhishek Bachchan. Now, he's all set to tickle our funny bone with Fir Hera Feri 4. Now, after 3 back-to-back action films, so we had Mani Ratnam's Ravan, he had Ashutosh Kavarkar's Khelenge Hum Ji Jaan Se, and Abhinay Diyo's Game. Now, the actor, he's opted for a change and signed a comedy movie. Now, if you remember, the Hera Feri series, now that started with the funny trio of Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty and Paresh Rawal, and I was in stitches after watching that. However, now it's going to be Abhishek Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt and Nana Patekar. Now, the film will be produced by Feroz Nadiawala and directed by Anees Bazmi. Now, the earlier sequels were directed by Priyadarshan. Now, Abhishek Bachchan, he will be seen next in Abbas Mustan's Players. Now, this, can you believe it, is a remake of a Hollywood film? Any ideas which one? The Italian Job. Now, alongside this, Bobby Deol, Sonam Kapoor, Bipasha Basu and Neil Nitin Mukesh, and not just all, Anupam Kher's son Sikandar Kher and Omi Vedya of 3 Idiots is going to be in this as well. So I'm thinking, The Italian Job, if Hollywood couldn't even pull off a remake, then there's no chance Bollywood can do that.
मेरी नजरों ने जिसे चुना वो लड़की है दीवानी मैंने पल पल जिसे सुना वो मुझसे है अनजानी मैं जितना देखूं उतना चाहूं जान मेरी वो ले जाए She's a rock star कुछ भी कहो बड़ी मस्त यार कुछ भी कहो मुझे आए प्यार कुछ भी कहो She's a rock star दिल लेके उड़ी जादू की पुड़ी करके आंखें 2-4 She's a rock star कुछ भी कहो बड़ी मस्त यार कुछ भी कहो मुझे आए प्यार कुछ भी कहो She's a rock star She's a rock star She's a rock star She's a rock star She's a rock star
How do they do that?
She's a rock star.
रंग तपता सोना है तू सना कोई होना है रंग तपता सोना है तू सना कोई होना है पाके तुझको सोनी ये नहीं खोना है
मेहंदियों की लाली में चूड़ियों की खनखन में एक अजब सी हलचल है आज मेरी धड़कन में
स्टार कुछ भी कहो बड़ी मस्त यार कुछ भी कहो मुझे आए प्यार कुछ भी कहो she's a rock star
I'm going for a drink. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.